Hi, it's Allie from APS EdTech, back with another Go Guardian quick tip. Did you know there's a new feature that allows you to focus a tab for students? It'll prevent them from going anywhere else. Let me show you how to do it. Using focus mode in Go Guardian is really easy, but please note this is only going to work for your students that are using Chromebooks at this time. All right, so the first way that we can turn on a focus mode tab is going to be by clicking on a student tile. Next to the active tab they have open, click Actions and turn focus on. Once focus mode is on for a website, this is the only place students will be able to navigate to on their Chromebooks. They cannot open a new tab, they cannot close this window, and they cannot open up anything that's downloaded on their Chromebook. Click Actions, turn focus off when you would like them to be able to return to regular navigation on their Chromebook. You can do this for any other tab they have open by making it active and focus at the same time. A second way that you can turn on focus mode is when you open a new tab for students. So click Open New Tab, type in the website you'd like them to visit, and make sure you check the box Focus Website. This is going to automatically make that focus mode when it opens on their Chromebook. Click Open Tab. This tab is now their active tab on their Chromebooks and the only one they have access to because focus mode is on. That's how easy it is to use focus mode in Go Guardian. Isn't that amazing? So easy to do. Let us know in the comments, how are you going to use focus mode? Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can get these videos every week when we publish them. See you later.